Okay, I just got done fixing my Samsung front-loading washing machine. Now I've got the matching dryer here I pulled out just to help get it out of the room because it's very hard to do it without it. Clean off underneath it. But you know what? There is a mystery inside this machine here, okay? And it's not a good mystery. It's packed up lint. So let's get to this and take a look at it. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, so like I said just a second ago, let's open this puppy up and see what 5 years worth of use has got in there. Okay, I did this once before when I had to repair my washing machine about 5 years ago. Okay, so it's about 5 years since I've done this, and so I forget exactly how much I have to take apart. But right now we just got 2 Phillips screws back here, which will take the lid off. Okay, now for those of you who have seen my how to clean a box fan videos, you know that a leaf blower is one of my favorite tools for that. Now of course I do have another video on how to take it apart, but anyways, alright, I think all we need to do is take this off. That comes off super easy, and what I want to do is try to blow, and we'll see what comes up out of this thing, how much lint I can blow out just by taking the lid off. And by the way, I do change my lint filter regularly, and I have cleaned out the dryer, you know, the whole vent line, okay? Which I'll put a link to the video up there at the top screen there for you guys, so you can check that one out if you wanted to clean out the lint out of your dryer vents. Oops, battery's low. Well, I'm blowing stuff back up out of it. Alright, so you guys saw how much of a mess that was. So you see, obviously that was some maintenance that was very well needed for that dryer, okay? Because lint and all that other stuff, dust balls, bunny rabbits, dust bunnies, okay? Those are all can be fire hazards. So now she is very clean, and I'm just gonna put it back together. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and share this so other people just like you who might have could use this, you know, can see it as well. Alright, I hope this helps to see, you know, how easy it is and how important it is to get your dryer cleaned out. But please do have a little bit of mechanical, you know, skills. You know, if you guys wreck your appliances trying to clean them out, don't get mad at me, okay? I'm just telling you how I did it. But in the meantime, please take a moment. I'll put it over here. Subscribe to my channel, check out my website, got all my videos there organized very well. And got some additional videos on the other side for you, including that Samsung repair for the washer. Okay, thanks again.